You created your ChatGPT account, and now when you try to log in your ChatGPT account, an error comes up which is you tried signing in as your email address via Google or password, which is not the authentication method you used while signing up. So how you can overcome this issue? If I write my email address here and press the continue button, on the next page it will ask me my password, and when I try to enter my password, on the next page it gives me that error. So how you can fix this? Now the solution is very simple. Listen to me carefully. If you are seeing this error when you write your email address and password in these boxes, then you have to go back and tap on continue with Google. So if I tap on continue with Google, it will ask my Gmail or Google account to log in, and enter your credentials in these boxes instead of those. You can select your Gmail account from here which you had used while signing up, and if that account does not appear here, you can simply go to use another account and enter your email address here, and then press the next button, and after that on this page enter your password and your account of ChatGPT will be logged in. And if you are trying to log in your account via Google and this thing is happening, you have to do the reverse. Means first you are going with continue with Google, and even you had created your account using Google, you have to enter your email address in this box and then press the continue button, and then write your Google account password in this box and then press the continue. It will be logged in. Now let me summarize. If I go back and we are here on this page of login, now what you have to do, if you try to log in using this box and press the continue button and then enter the password and that error comes, you have to go back and log in using this continue with Google button. And if you are seeing this error while signing in with this continue with Google button, you have to do the reverse, and you have to type your email address here in this box, then continue, and then enter the password of your Google account or the password that you had set while creating your account, and then continue. Then this issue will be resolved. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. If you are still confused, just reverse back the video and listen to me carefully again. This is not a big error, you are just doing a very simple and little mistake, and when that will be resolved, you will be able to log into ChatGPT. And if nothing is working, you can simply create a new account with the new email address and the phone number. But I'm more than 100% sure that this thing will be resolved in this way that I had mentioned. Hope it works. Let me know in the comments which thing worked for you. Thank you so much.